everyone. So today I'm going to share with you one of my blank albums which is available on purchase. I made these albums, which you can decorate the way you like. This is the way it looks, and I'm pretty happy that it has come out to be very compact and quite smart in its way. You can decorate it with design papers, with photo mats like this, and put your photographs. This is a scrapbook album, and it measures, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8.5, I think, by 8.5 by 10.5. So this measures 8.5 by 10.5 with approximately 2.5 inch spine. Yeah, so this is the measurement. It is a blank album which is available on purchase. You can decorate it with design papers, with different graphics, with embellishments, the way you like. See, to give you a little bit of understanding, this is the way you can put your photographs, use it for journaling. Let's go inside the first page. So it contains three signature pages and inside interactive covers. The first layout is a cover inside, and this pops out like this. So you can use this for 2 photographs here. There will be magnets attached which will keep the page like this. It pops up like this. So this is the way the layout will come, and you can put design papers across to cover entire white stream. So even here you can put 2 of your photographs like this, or a standard photograph, and use it for journaling. Now let us see the inside. The inside of the second page, this I have made it like a photo mat which you can insert photos on. So this is a little bigger, I think, but your photographs can go inside. Yeah, and this also serves as a locking mechanism for the page inside. So if you if you push it up, you have to push it up, and this opens, and this page comes out. So then again you have a lot of space to put your photographs inside this pocket. Put it here, or use this space, this white space, for putting photographs, writing, or putting 2 small size photographs like this. So this is a very nice interactive feature which I have created. This album is also, if you want to learn, it is available on my advanced masterclass, and you can learn it with me. The video classes are available for that. Let us go to the second one. The second page is having a very beautiful layout where you can slip your photograph inside. So inside you can slip your photograph. This moves, and if you remove it, this acts as a locking mechanism. You can put your photograph here. You can put your photographs here, even here, and then this page. So it has lot of space to put lots of your photographs, and a lot of journaling space as well. And when you close it, you have a nice butterfly wing kind of very easy locking mechanism which entirely secures this page. Now the third page is magnetized here. This is a small magnet. It's a hidden magnet. You'll not see it, but when you open it, this is a photo mat which revolves. So if you have a horizontal photograph or a vertical photograph, any kind of portrait or any layout, you can put your photograph here. Easily this will take 4 by 6 photographs, and it secures the page. Now there is another hidden element here. If you open it, I'm just putting it like this, or you can even put it like this, you get a very beautiful pop-up layout. You can even use this space as photo mats. You can put 4 by 6 photographs on each of these pop-up layouts. Isn't it very beautiful? I find it very beautiful. And see, this is hidden. So if you do like this, you won't see there is a magnet. This all you can cover it with a design paper and just close it. It's a very beautiful interactive feature. The third one, again the same thing. You can slip a photograph from inside here. So here very nice photograph can come. You have to just take this page out, okay, and When you open it, this is a page for putting photographs. You can even slit it inside this pocket. Wow, isn't it beautiful? So you can have 4 photographs on this page. 2 are the floating photographs. Once again, you can have 4 photographs on the floating page. So this is the way the entire layout comes out to be, and I'm pretty happy with the way it has turned out to be. And this locks the entire mechanism. Coming to the 5th page. Now this is a sliding mechanism. So previously we used to have all the pull downs. Now this one is a slide up. All 4x6 photographs can come in your slider. I'm not sure if you're able to see this. So let's do it again. The second one, if you keep pushing it, you see you can have a cartwheel kind of structure where you can put your photographs. Lots of places for photographs. This itself has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 times. So normally I put photographs on this page and on this page as well. So you can have 12 photographs here at one go, all 4x6. Coming to the last interactive feature, this has place for hidden journaling pockets, or you can even put a small photograph trimmed to shape and write something and just slit it inside. It acts as a window page, a very beautiful window page for putting your special memories together. This is where you can slit your photographs. You can cover this entire space. The last one, the back cover, is a hidden pocket, or a loaded pocket is what I call it in my masterclass. So it has a lot of space. If you see, there are 3 pockets. You can even put some of your memorabilia, any souvenirs if you brought from a journey, or if it is a wedding album, then you can put some kind of good memories. It has lot of space to put lot of your elements inside, and there are 3 pockets like this. So you can cover these pages and you can slit your photographs or any kind of memory. Yes, so this entire album is quite smart. It is big, it is sturdy, and it is available on a purchase. Thank you so much. Bye bye.